How's it going? It's Tim. I'm a commercial photographer and video maker in the UK. Now, a bit of a different video today. I'm not in the studio, I'm at home. I've got some deliveries due and whatnot. But I was in the shops and I found this. Now, I can't resist an interesting beer can for my Instagram. So, I'm going to set up on the driveway and do some splash photography. So what I've done is I've got the beer can here and it's tied with fishing line up this frame around here. So it's tied off over here and up here. And that way it doesn't spin round and swing around too much. And here we've got a silver reflector clipped onto a light stand, and that's just popping some fill light back across the can. Just a few hours later, I've had a shout from Luke saying that he's down the port painting a new mural on their wall. So I thought I'd pop in and see him and may as well bring the camera along and go see some painting going on and maybe try some beer. So let's go. So that's the port. Absolutely stunning microbrewery. Amazing brewers, make killer pizzas. And they also appreciate local street art, which is why Luke's in there painting. So let's go see. So after hours in the bar, and there's something nice about bars after hours. Just tables pushed aside, music on, a couple of drinks, all cool. But you got to see what Luke's painting. This is gonna be rad.
So spray paint in the background. Sunset, Portishead sunset, and then what I'm trying to achieve with this one is a really photographic looking graphic on top of the sunset. So I'm projecting the photograph that I took one evening of Battery Point Lighthouse and the black layers going in.
Nice. And it's the next morning. I've just sat down in the studio to edit this splash photo to pop on my Instagram and my LinkedIn and whatnot. And I thought I'd sort of run through the different layers and show you how this goes together. So I'll start with this image. I like the big splash across the back, suggesting a wave. And then I added in some droplets up here. And then a bigger splash around it, almost like a sort of foreground splash. Then, kind of importantly, there's a layer here to remove the fishing line. And then a few extra drops at the bottom there. I really like the way the big droplets are forming and falling from the can. I found like the water was reflecting some browny colours. So I've just put a hue adjustment in just to put some blue into there. So it's reflecting the can colours more than the environment that we're in. And at the top of the can, there's some blues in the splash that kind of felt a bit odd. So I've just desaturated those. And then this adds extra highlights to some of the bigger droplets on the can. Try to make it feel a bit more 3D. And that's the image. Hope you like it. You can see it on my Instagram at Tim Shapcott. And yeah, tell you what though, I think Luke's back at the port. Should we go and have a look at how he's getting on? Made it down to the pub and this hasn't changed. Luke!
What?
You're doing this painting?
Now I've started another one.